Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute Firefly like outfit hack on Dress to Impress. This one's also pretty simple. You just need to obviously dress up kind of like a firefly, which I did right now, and then we are going to go to this area, get the apple, and we're going to color it the same as our outfit, and we're going to select the toggle rotten to the core. Then we're going to use the like Halloween basket, I guess. And I'm just going to, I'm going to just leave that green. I think I'm just going to do yellow for it. And then the rest, I'm just going to color it black. Like so. Then we just need the camera. And again, I'm just going to color it black like the rest of my outfit so you guys can't really see it. And that is it. That's our firefly done. As you can see, it looks like that from the side. But yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You're going to want to also do the sideways pose on the runway if you want to ever use this outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!